Hello and welcome to the Solving Benchmark Review. We're going to do it in steps. So we're going to start with the 6 questions that are at the top of your benchmark, and the first type is going to be two-step equations. So we're going to solve both of these, and then you're going to try one on your own. So draw your line. We always get rid of the add subtract first, so we're going to minus 5. Bring down your 2x. 17 minus 5 is 12. And then anything right next to each other is connected by multiplication, so the opposite is to divide. Our final answer for this one is x equals 6, and that's going to be the easiest type you see on your benchmark. Now the one right next to it is common for kids to mess up on because it's backwards, so you see your variables over on this side. That means we need to move everything over to the other side, so we still get rid of our add subtract. Now the 7 is a plus, the negative goes with the 4x. So we're going to minus 7, so that gives us 24. And we have a negative 4x over here. And again, anything right next to each other is connected by multiplication, so the opposite is to divide. So I'm going to divide, and I get x equals negative 6. All right, so now it's your turn to try one on your own. So go ahead and try this one on your own. It'll pop up on your screen to enter in your answer. The next ones we're going to work through are solving multi-step equations. Actually, I'm going to show you the answer to this one so you can see if you got it right or not. So backwards one again, so you're going to minus 7, minus 7. That gives us 8 left on this side, left with negative 2x. And then again, we divide by negative. Watch your negative signs. You're left with x equals negative 4. All right, the next type we're going to do now is multi-step equations, which means you have to combine like terms common. So this first one, I have a positive 8x and a negative 3x that are like terms. 8 minus 3 gives me 5x. Copy down my 4. Keep my 29. So a lot of you just need to get used to copying a lot of answers, okay? So next step, minus 4, minus 4. I'm left with 5x, because that's gone, equals 29 minus 4 is 25. And again, connected right next to each other is multiplication. Opposite is to divide. Final answer, x equals 5. All right, and then they go through the ones that have the distributive property. So we're going to distribute. So we're left with 3x minus 12. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 4 is a minus 12. And then the 9 is still there. Draw on your line. To get rid of the 12, we add, just like before. This is now a two-stepper. You're left with 3x equals 9 plus 12 is 21. And our last step is to divide by 3. Divide by 3. Our final answer is x equals 7. All right. Go ahead and try this one on your own. It's kind of a combo of the two. All right, check to see if you got this one right. So first distribute it just to the parts in parentheses. You get negative 2x. Negative 2 times 7 is a negative 14. And then you still have your plus 2 and your negative 14. Don't forget to just copy what's left. So our like terms in this case now are negative 14 and a plus 2. Negative 14 and a positive 2 make negative 12. And again, now it's a simple two-stepper. You get rid of your subtract 12 by adding. Negative 14 plus 12 is negative 2. And this is multiplication, so I divide. Anything divided by itself is 1. All right.